All right, everybody, Sylvia here, and I am in South Dakota today. I am getting ready to ride the Mickelson Trail. This is a trail that's about 108 miles long. This is going to be my first day riding it. I'm going to be doing out and back rides, so my mileage is going to be like 216 miles. So it'll probably take me about 5 or 6 days to complete the entire trail, which I hope to do. And I am at the Inglewood trailhead, and I'm going to be riding to one end of the trail, which is Deadwood. I'm not entirely sure how many miles it is, but whatever it is, that's what I'm doing. And the weather forecast calls for very stormy skies later this afternoon, actually probably closer to noon or 1 o'clock. So I've got a window of about 3 hours to do this section of the trail. You can see someone's just finished their ride on the trail and they're pulling off. But I got Myrtle here, and here's just a quick Inglewood trailhead and a map. I'll put up a better map in this video. And there's a fee to do this trail. It's $4 per person per day, or you can buy an annual pass for $15 per person. So I'm going to get an annual pass because I'm going to be riding this trail probably 6 times, so that will more than cover the daily fees. So yeah, let's go do the Mickelson Trail. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. It took me a little longer to get myself together this morning. I'm always a little bit leery about leaving my truck at a trailhead. I always feel like these are spots that people may break into cars because, well, they just know you're out, you're not around, you're doing the trail. And so I took everything of value out of the cab and I put it in the back of the truck. I had to pump up my tires. Last time I rode my Trike was at Tater Tot, and I had to wipe it down because I've been on a lot of dusty dirt roads in the back of my truck. The truck bed just gets incredibly dusty. So, all right, here we go. We are on the Mickelson Trail, and I think this is the direction to Deadwood. So I've gone about a mile down the trail. I think I'm going towards Deadwood. And yeah, I'm coming up to a locked gate that hopefully I can fit through. Yeah, just barely, but yeah. If you've got a wide trike, you may not be able to fit through this gate. But I was able to make it. This trail is unpaved. It seems to be a fine gravel. It feels like a rail trail. I haven't really read up on it, so I'll have to verify that. And the first mile was pretty much all downhill. There are roads that you're gonna cross as you do this trail. But so far it's very quiet. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous scenery. So this is the Kirk trailhead, crossing a creek. I think a lot of the Mickelson Trail is a rail trail, but not all of it. I am doing a downhill right now that is definitely more than 1, 2, 3% grade. And you see my speed is pretty fast here too. So I am coming into the town of Deadwood, and you can see almost to the end of the trail, and there's actual rails here. So some of this Mickelson Trail is a rail trail, some of it is not. And there's a stream I've been following a stream really the entire time I've been on this trail. It's been just delightful. So I'm just gonna turn around and head back the way I came. We got some interpretive signs here about the trail, the history. Hi. And a map of the trail. And then here is the mile marker. Mile marker 00. 109-mile trail. And this is one end. One end of the trail is at Deadwood. It's called the Deadwood Trail System. So yeah, now we've got a lot of up to do. Definitely got some weather rolling in. So far it's dry. See how wet we end up getting. We are on the last bit of trail here. I think just about a mile to go, where I left my truck.